Greetings. In this video, I'm going to take a look at water on the space station, and I'm just going to be looking at it with a critical eye and pointing out some things, and I've got a few clips and a few things to bring up. So let's take a look at this experiment.
Okay, so here's a soaking wet washcloth.
So the first thing you're probably wondering, and everybody probably is that the microphone that Mean Gene Oakland from 1985 used to interview Hulk Hogan and Roddy Piper, Andre the Giant? Probably, but I can't confirm that, but probably. But let's look at notice all the edits in this, you know.
Get the microphone so you can hear me while I'm talking. And now let's start ringing it out. It's really wet.
Okay, and also notice all the water flying around. Like, I don't know who their IT guy is or gal, but I mean, there's a laptop in the background back here. There's some electrical equipment over here. I think if the space station was a real thing, as how it's presented to us, I don't think they would allow water to fly around like they do. But anyway, I wanted to point that out. Just notice all this water flinging around.
It's becoming a tube of water.
There's another edit.
The water's all over my hands. In fact, it rings out of the cloth into my hands. And if I let go of the cloth carefully, the water sort of has it stick to my hand.
There's that microphone. Another
okay,
edit.
So the experiment worked beautifully. And the answer to the question is?
Okay, so I just wanted to point that out. We're going to take a look at some other things as well. Okay, so here's the same experiment done on a zero-G plane.
We'll washing your face. Oh, have a look at that. Wow. That is crazy. Look at the surface tension. The water holds it together like that.
Did he just get kicked in the face? It kind of looks like it.
Dealing with liquids in microgravity is really difficult.
But the point I want to make, all joking aside, is, you know, this is, look at the results that he gets on zero-G plane. It's the same right there. It's that same surface tension is surrounding his hand.
The water holds it together like that.
So anyway, just wanted to show that. Okay, so in this video, I just want to make a few points here. Number one, look at the water, how it just, gets flung everywhere. There's a lot of electrical components. I don't know that NASA would allow that to happen. It seems like there would be a room or something that they could go in that wouldn't have so much, electrical components and stuff. And then I don't know if NASA would allow people to have long hair like that. It seems like the hair goes everywhere and gets in controls and things. And I've seen laptops in the background where water goes very near. But notice the edits and notice how the water gets flung everywhere. And also the sound in the background. It sounds like she's on a jet. After so many different explanations that just don't quite add up. I'm just looking at this with a critical eye. So let's take a look at this here.
Sometimes the water gets away from you and you try and catch as much as you can. Then I just work the water up through to the ends of my hair. And I take my no-rinse shampoo and squirt it also on the scalp, just a little bit, and rub it in. Again, kind of working it out to the ends. And sometimes I'll actually take my comb to help work it all the way to the ends. And I like to take my towel while I have the shampoo in there and just kind of work it because without standing under running water, you kind of need to use the towel a little bit to help get some of the dirt out. I like to follow that by a little more water. It's called no rinse shampoo, but I
Again, more edits, water and her hair flinging everywhere.
think it's best if you use a little water with it.
More edits.
It actually feels kind of squeaky clean right now.
All right, you get the idea. Anyway, I just wanted to look at some of this with a critical eye. Make your own decisions. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.